Hello, how are you all doing? Welcome to Wordpress World YouTube channel. In this tutorial for today, we're going to be looking at the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Most people actually think that these two are actually the same, but then they are actually different. So those are the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But then before we proceed, I'll actually ask you to please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also share. And don't forget to also hit the notification button. We all know that WordPress actually contains beautiful designs and powerful features that you can actually use to build any type of website that you want to. Be it a blog, a real estate website, a school website, just name the kind of website. WordPress actually got your back. It's actually a web development software designed for everyone. Most especially, WordPress is free and it is open source and is constantly being updated by several teams of software developers around the world. An estimated 55% of all websites on the internet actually run WordPress. Also, having it in mind that WordPress is actually a software, this actually means that you cannot use it unless you install and run it. I'm not talking about running it directly on your hard disk. I'm talking about running it on your, through your cPanel that is actually provided by your web hosting company. Now, there are currently two platforms on which WordPress is run, and they are WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Now, let's take a look at the platform WordPress.org. You can see the address here, WordPress.org. So let's scroll through the platform, WordPress.org. And through here, you can actually download the WordPress zip file from here. This WordPress.org, now WordPress.com. So this is WordPress.com. So you can actually see the difference. WordPress.org, WordPress.com. Now let's take a look at WordPress.com. WordPress.com is where you actually go to make a free website with a free web hosting plan like you.wordpress.com. Now this is good when you're actually starting out. If not, I actually employ you to actually use WordPress.org, which will certainly require that you have a domain name and a web hosting plan already. WordPress.com is actually a paid service that completely takes care of all installation for you. Your WordPress could be deleted if they feel that you violated at times of use, which means that we can actually say it is not 100% your own. Once you violated at times of agreement, you can actually get your website deleted. You cannot monetize it using platform like Google AdSense, Media.net, or Propeller Ad Astera, you can't use it with it. You can't monetize it. You can't also upload plugin. You have to make do with what they actually provide for you. You can't upload a customizable thing. And I also remember that you don't own the domain, so there are limited things that you can actually do on it. Also, your customization options are actually limited to your kind of payment plan. So it means that if you need to get more options for the web on WordPress.com, that you need to pay for it. But then customization option is actually limited to the kind of payment plan that you're actually on. And you need expensive business plans to actually use the plugins you want and limited customization. You have an advantage in installation setup, which actually requires clicks to actually get started. Also, you get to have trusted security features which are actually handled automatically for you. There's ease of use and everything is actually done for you automatically, unlike WordPress.org that you need to actually go ahead and do every other thing by yourself. There's always live support available for you. There's access to email, but then you need to know that it's actually expensive compared to you maintaining when you compare both WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is actually very expensive to actually maintain. Now, when you host your free website on the free WordPress.com plan, you get to have a URL like you.wordpress.com or your business name dot dot com. Now, another thing about it is that there are different plans that you need to choose from. You have the personal plan, you have the premium plan, you have the business plan, and you have the e-commerce plan. Now, personal plan is actually good for personal use. Maybe you need to have personal blog. They're going to bill you monthly, which as from $5, they're billed monthly. With this, you get to have a free domain for 1 year, and you get best in class hosting. You get to remove WordPress.com ad. You can also collect payment from it, and you have unlimited image support. So if you actually choose any of these plans, it means that your business is not going to be your business name.wordpress.com, but it's going to be your business name.com. But you need to pay for it. Now, for the premium plan, which is actually best for freelancers, the billing starts from $8 per month. Is a premium plan. Actually, we get free domain for 1 year, best in class hosting. You get to remove WordPress.com ads, which is actually available on the free plan. And you get to collect payments if you want to collect a payment online. You have unlimited image support, live chat support. You can actually start to use your own ad, Google AdSense, Media.net, Propeller Ad, Revenue It, any kind of publisher ad platform that you want to use. You can actually go ahead and implement it and earn ad revenue. You get to use premium teams. You get to upload videos, and you can actually, integrate Google Analytics into your website. Now for the business plan, which is actually very good, recommended for small businesses. I start as $25 per month, and it's actually bid yearly. All this kind of mention is actually bid yearly. You don't get to pay monthly, but it's yearly. So you start your business, your small business. I recommend you start your small business using the business plan. If you're going to be hosting on WordPress.com, you get to have a free domain for 1 year, best in class hosting. You get to remove WordPress.com ads and run your own ad if you want to. You get to collect payments online. You have unlimited image support, live chat support. You get to use any ad platform of your wish, Google AdSense, Media.net, any one of your choice. You get to make use of premium teams, and you get to upload videos and also integrate Google Analytics. Now for the e-commerce, it's at $45 and it's per month, which is also bid yearly. If you're going to run an e-commerce website, you want to sell online, so this plan is actually recommended for you. You get to have a free domain for 1 year. You get best in class hosting. You get to remove WordPress.com ads. You can also, collect payment. Unlimited email support is available. Live chat support. You get to earn ad revenue if you want to run ad, Google AdSense, Media.net, Propeller ad. You have premium teams at your disposal to use. You get to upload videos and also integrate web analytics. So if you're going to be working on hosting your website, your WordPress website using WordPress you log in by typing WordPress.com into your web browser. Then once it loads, you click on Start Your website. So after that, you get to have this. You enter your email address, your username, enter your email address and your username, and you can actually use your Apple account or you use your Google account. Then you click on create your account here. So from here you can actually proceed. I'm already using this email address. That's why you have this information here. But then once you click create your account, you can follow up there. It's actually very easy to use. Now let's take a look at WordPress.org. Now with WordPress.org, is actually a free platform. You get a lot of plugins that you can use, a lot of free things that you can use. You can download the WordPress software for free. And yes, to do that, all you need to do is come to WordPress.org and type your web browser, hit the enter key. I showed this before, but let's go back to it. So it has lots of powerful features, limitless possibilities. What you create, whatever you're creating on WordPress.org is actually limited to your own imagination and creativity. So all you need to do is click here to download the WordPress zip file that you upload to your cPanel. You own your personal business domain name. You get paid website hosting with unlimited features, just the way you want it. You get unlimited optimization for your WordPress blog or website. You have access to thousands of plugins that are free plugins. Actually, you have access to free access. You have free access to thousands of themes. You can choose to monetize your blog or website. No limitation given to you. The limitation we have to do with the publisher's platform either approving your site or not. You have complete optimization of your website. You have access to unlimited customization options. You also have to invest more time to actually keep your website organized because you're going to be doing everything from the scratch down to the when you finish it. You have to dedicate more time to actually keep your website updated. It's actually cheaper to maintain when compared to WordPress.com and missing support. You have to find whatever solution you need to an issue that actually arrives during your design. Themes for your WordPress website can actually be easily downloaded from an official WordPress website or from hundreds of other places around the world. The same goes with the plugin, which are actually used to extend the functionality of a WordPress site. In conclusion, WordPress.org actually generates a staggering number of websites. In fact, it powers over 58% of the whole web. Everything from personal blogs to large corporate websites. There's also a huge number of designers, developers, and bloggers who share their knowledge through blog posts, tutorials, reviews, videos, and creation of thousands of themes and plugins. So it's left for you, the platform that you choose to actually host your WordPress website, be it WordPress.org or WordPress.com. If you want everything done automatically for you without stress, you should go for WordPress.com. But if you feel that you know what you're doing, that you want to have a leverage to do whatever you want to do without any limitation, then you need to choose WordPress.org. All right, thank you for watching the tutorial to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and also like this video. Also, share with your acquaintances because someone out there may actually be in need of the information contained in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.